What's going on, guys? It's your boy Tyree Blake here, back at you again with another video. Today, me, Harris and Aso are going to explore the school which is located in St. Anne's, which is called ALARMS School. So this school got, I don't know how to explain it. I think they just rebuilt another school and then just left that one behind. So it's the same school in a different place, but they've just forgotten about that one. I don't know why they did that, but it got closed down in 2008 in August. And then it got relocated somewhere else. But if you've been subscribed to me for a long time, you would have known that I've explored it before. However, back then I just used to get my phone and just record, and it wasn't that good. So now I'm a little bit better at recording and talking to the camera and stuff. I want to go get another video. So yeah, once I get with Harris and Aso, I'll get back at you. So peace. Alright, so it's a bit later. Ace is here.
Hi.
Harris is here. And we got this dopey pack lunchbox. Strawberries. He's got the tripod in his. And yeah, the bagels are in there. He's got his little. But yeah, we're about to leave soon, and then I'll get back at you. Peace. Alright, so we're leaving now. We're about to go get the bus. Yo, I can't wait, man. I haven't been to this place in a while. I've been here a few times, but I just haven't been here like a long time.
Sort of top, man.
You know what, Harris, yeah?
Yeah?
Why don't you just die? And you? Joking, I hope you two don't die. I love you.
Taking your
Camera bag. Doing it, fam. Anyway, I'll see you when I'm there. Peace. Alright, so we've got on the bus now, as you can already tell, because if you was on the bus then, yeah, anyway. We're walking there now, and these lot are taking too long. Yeah, I'm gonna keep recording them. But no, we're almost there. Just gotta walk down a bit, go do a few turns, and we should be there. I'm just hoping that we can still get in. But recently, my friend has posted a picture where he was on it, so you must be able to still get in there. However, whilst we're getting there, I'm probably gonna put on my GoPro, put this away, and yeah, soon. Come. I don't know what I'm on about. Yeah, see you soon.
It's recording! It made a beeping noise.
Shut up, man. No, shut up.
Man's about to come abandoned school, innit? Oh!
Sharp as fuck.
Imagine if you fall on that. Oh!
Got vandal grease on it, fam. Yeah.
Oh!
Huh?
Shit. That fence is wobbly. That wasn't hard, but ripped my sock.
These gloves are disgusting.
Ah.
Yeah, take it open now.
Oh fuck. I got it on the side of my thing. Oh, why do you have to get a grey coat?
Alright, so as you can see, we're in the school now. They've put vandal grease there. I didn't even realise until I saw it on my gloves. But I don't think they put vandal grease on that side. So we should be alright.
Fuck out of my way. This one's
We'll leave the gloves here. Land lighter on your feet, bro.
Huh?
Land lighter on your feet.
I see.
Cool. Alright, so we just figured out that we won't be able to get back in to the building because they've blocked it all off. But I mean, we've got this nice view.
Are you recording for me?
Yeah. So yeah.
Fucking hell. Like a massive puddle.
Yeah. Oh shit, someone's got a ladder from. Someone's got a ladder. Some guy. Yo. Good, yeah? Yo. Huh? You alright, yeah? Alright, come talk. And we used to get into the window, innit? How are you lot getting in now?
Down in the hole.
Oh, right, sick. You lot cool on YouTube, yeah?
No, it's not fair on YouTube.
Oh, that's sick, man. Yo, can we hop in with you, yeah? Alright, cool. We're just gonna get our stuff, yeah? Respect. See me? So basically, those people there, they've managed to get a ladder from up on the top, and they're gonna put the ladder inside of the hole so we can climb down. Sick.
First note it for you.
Alright, cool. Do you wanna go next or? Yeah, cool.
I'll go in after.
Yeah. Then you can grab the camera.
I'm not gonna grab the camera.
Yeah.
Respect. Yeah. Alright, sweet.
Cheeky fuck.
Careful, yeah.
It's cool, fam. Cheeky, fam.
Alright, as you can see, we're in now. Yeah. I wish you look good.
Anyway, we've been in the whole building.
Yeah.
You might need flash that.
This was the basketball court.
You want to be some basketball fan?
So we're going downstairs now. This is the darkest bit of like the school. So here this school, was it like an academy or something, or was it?
It used to be in our primary school.
Oh, yeah, I thought so. I need to get So what do you reckon this bit was? Oh, this is like it's a big junior school.
I went there, right?
Yeah.
Two dead ends that side, and the passageway. It's like a passage instead.
No.
Passage.
No, I could never do that, I'm sorry. So yeah, this is the school. It's really big, it's massive, it's absolutely massive. And it's only a junior school as well. So do you reckon this would have been like the cloakroom or something?
Yeah,
Must have been, innit? This must have been a classroom. Class 2. Wow. Whiteboard. I ain't trying to flick no switch. I need to get some. So you flick it? Oh yeah. Like we got vandal grease on us lot earlier.
Yeah?
Coming in, yeah. We was pissed.
yeah. Yeah, when we were walking through today, it was like, oh,
Yeah.
You have to get into it.
Fam, don't be tapping people, you know.
How would I cope with that?
Oh, you just get some black dye from like Woko's or something. Yeah, you got vandal grease in the coat. I'll show you two.
Huh?
You got vandal grease in the coat. Crap, man. Hey, so Harris.
Dead.
Yo. Fam, don't be getting me scared like that. Huh?
Because when they get gay people, like,
What? What are you know about, fam?
when they get gay people,
What's that? Is that a toy? No way.
Oh my god.
That's scary. Oh. Let me make him big noise. Be careful, because some of it's hollow. Yo.
You better hold that phone tight.
It's from never mind the phone, the camera. Jeez. That's mad. Is that, did I just hear a mic? Birds.
The picture came out of nowhere.
Is it?
Just in case I can see a picture.
Yes, fam. Oh, this room looks sick. So this was clearly the kitchen, innit? Or the like the... Mad. So to say this was a junior school,
Look.
big.
Look.
Yes, I can see it is.
I see you too.
That noise is scary.
pretty bad.
I can't walk upstairs, I'm so done. But as you can see, guys, this school is massive. To say it's only like a junior school, it's actually massive compared to.
I was one of them once upon a time.
What, you used to come to the school? Wow. How many people?
1,000.
1,000. I've got that many people in my school now. Alice Guildford.
Yeah.
Just over 1,000, and there's over 1,000 people who used to come to this school, including this guy. Sick.
Down here now, TV started.
Yo, TV started playing from.
No way. So we just heard a voice.
Hold that up.
Oh shit. Man. Yeah. Alright, cool. Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna have to head out the back gate, yeah?
Alright, cool.
You're right.
Yeah, I'm cool. Respect. Back route. No way. How did they know that we was there? Probably only you lot banging. Hurry up. Hurry up, man. Hurry up. Hurry up, man. Oh, fuck's sake. How did you do that? Huh? Yeah, yeah. Too late now.
Why is that only going off now? We've been in for a good hour. Right.
Yeah, yeah, cool.
Yo, that was,
Going on down that side.
that was kind of sick. There was a man playing on the TV saying security.
So TV, where?
It said something about it said if soldiers arrive and now are intruders, it said something about doing something.
Right.
Yeah, that you'll be taking a call.
We better get out of the area then, innit? Alright, so I don't know if you'd be able to tell you that security is coming. So we have to go quick. I've got vandal grease on my hand.
I thought I was done in a high-vis best man.
What time is it?
Yeah. It's not even that late, fam. I don't want to stay there for a bit so I could get the view at night.
Yo, we should have got that on record, man. That would be so fun.
Alright, so we're in the toilets now, back to wash up everything. But it's been your boy Terry Play. Hope you enjoyed today's video. And yeah, peace.